Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and this question deals with fractional exponents. Now, fractional exponents, when you have a variable raised to a fractional exponent like we do here, because we have an x in here and raised to the 2/3 power. The idea is we want to get that 2/3 power to be a 1. We want to just get that to be the first power. So the way we do that is we multiply by the reciprocal. And to multiply an exponent, that's where you do a power to a power. So I'm going to raise this to the 3/2 power. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So I'm going to raise the other side to the 3/2 power. Remember, when you do a power to a power, you multiply. So this cancels, so on this side I'm just left with x plus 5 to the first power, or x plus 5 equals, and then we have 16 to the 3/2 power. So you can put that into your calculator just as it looks. You just put in 16, hit the caret symbol, and then do 3 divided by 2, and you should end up with 64. Because what this means is you want to take the square root of 16 and then cube it. So that would be 4 cubed, which equals 64.